Alright, this is how you can find cryptocurrency's total value locked completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Two websites. The first one is called DeFi or DeFi Llama. Is basically, as you can see, total value locked of all the chains. We have a pie chart looking here. So Ethereum right now is worth $47 billion. And it dominates because it's 55%. And the next are others, but the next one would be Tron, Solana, BSC, Arbitrum, Base, and if you scroll down, you can also see the top performing. So Ethereum has a total value locked of $47 billion, 24-hour volume, 1 billion, etc. The next website is CoinGecko. May have showed this in another or previous tutorial. This one is a little more straightforward, but it's the same thing. There's a total value locked altogether, $80 billion, and ETH dominates 57%, and there's the total value locked right here, completely for free.